class 10th CBSE. Once again the same topic, that is the chemical reaction and equation. The last topic of the lesson is different types of chemical reaction. Different types of chemical reactions. In this topic, we have to discuss about 4 types of reactions. First is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. Second is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third is called displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, we also have to discuss about the double displacement reaction. And last is the oxidation reduction reactions. So there are 4 category or 5 category of the reactions we have to study in this topic. Now first, the combination reaction. Combination word is related with the combine. Combine means you have to combine the substance. In any reaction, only 2 parts are there. One is called the reactant and one is called the product. It means when the substance which is present in the reactant, the reaction in which the substance, whether it is the element, compound or both or any other thing, when combined together to form a single substance, then this type of reaction is called the combination reaction. First, go through the definition. What is combination reaction? The reaction in which substances means these substances are maybe element or elements, and compounds combine together to form one single compound. That is important. One single substance. That is the important thing. In reactant, there is more than 2 substances are there, but in product, that substance must be only one. Then it is called the combination reaction. In other words, we are able to write this, or when all the substances present in reactant are combined together to form a single compound, a single product, then this type of reaction is called combination reaction. For example, I am giving you an easy clue for that. A combines with B to form AB. Here 2 reactants are there, but these reactants combine to form only one product. Or A plus B plus C combines to form ABC. I think this must be very clear for you. When 2 or more than 2 substances are combined together to form only one substance, then it is called the combination reaction. And this substance, what are this substance? This may be element or compound. There are 3 possibilities are there. 3 possibility. First, when element combines with element to form compound. First possibility of combination reaction. For example, magnesium is an element Combined with oxygen, it is also an element in the molecular state to form magnesium oxide. It is a compound. Now, you have to balance the equation. Check the balancing method. Mg, magnesium is 1 here. Magnesium is 1 here also. It means in both the place it is balanced. What about the oxygen? Oxygen is 2 here. Here the oxygen number is 1. So we have to convert this oxygen in 2. Now oxygen is 2, oxygen is 2. But Mg is 2 here. So we have to put one more 2 here. It is a balanced chemical equation. I don't think so. It is tough. But we have to practice it. Okay. So this is the combination of element and element to form compound. This is the one type of the combination reaction. One more type of the combination reaction is that when one compound combines with an element to form, definitely the product is always a compound, to form a compound. For example, sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a compound, oxygen is element, okay, and the compound is sulfur trioxide. Check the balancing. Here sulfur is 1, here sulfur is 1. It's okay. But here oxygen is 2. And what about the oxygen here? It is 2 2s are 4. We have to balance it. 4, okay, here you have to put the 4. The minimum number we are able to put here is the 2. When we put here 2, what is the sulfur number? It goes 2. And what is oxygen number? 3 2s are 6. But here oxygen is 4 only and sulfur is 1. So we put 1 2 here. Now sulfur is 2, sulfur is 2. Oxygen 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. Oxygen is 6 there. And this is the balanced chemical equation. So this is the combination of compound with the element. One more type of combination reaction is there. When a compound combines with another compound, what is the result? Result is always a compound. As I told you, result is always a compound. But that is also a combination reaction because only single compound is formed. If the single compound is formed there, then it is called the combination reaction. So see the example, when a compound combines with another compound to form a compound. A single compound. Okay. Now look at here. This is the third combination of combination reaction. When a compound combines with a compound with another compound, and whatever the result is there, a compound is formed. Okay. I am going to take a good example of that. Calcium oxide. You call it the lime, tuna. Combines with water. Here calcium oxide is a compound. Water is also a compound. What the result is there? That is called the calcium hydroxide. Chune ka pani. This is the slacked lime. This is lime. Now festivals are so closer to you. First thing is the cleaning the house. During the festival you are going to clean the house. And whitewashing is the very much common process is that. What you have to do? Take the lime, tuna, add the water in that. You are unable to mix this water and lime with naked hand, open hand. Why? Are you able to mix together with the help of hand only? No, never. Why? You know very well. When you mix the tuna with water, the substance which is formed is also generated heat. A lot of heat is generated here. Okay, when the heat is released out during any chemical reaction, then that type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. This reaction is exothermic also. This reaction is the exothermic reaction. Exo means out. Thermo means heat. The reaction in which heat goes out during any chemical reaction. During any chemical reaction, if heat is released out, then the reaction is called Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Okay. Simple example is there. You know it very well. If you don't know about that, take one metal glass, one old one. Not take the new one. Put some tuna, lime in that, calcium oxide and the water. You are able to feel the warmness of that process. Okay, when the process is performed, heat is released, so it is called the exothermic reaction. It is also the combination of compound combines with compound to form the slick line. One more question: why, when you whitewashing your wall, the color of wall shine after 2-3 days? The color of tuna is not visible just after the whitewashing. Why? Because this lime water combines with atmospheric carbon dioxide. This lime water combines with the carbon dioxide, and when it combines with the carbon dioxide, one shiny white color is released out, and that shiny white color is of the whitewashing color. Okay, must remember that thing. That is only for the general knowledge. If the exothermic reaction is there, then might be endothermic is there also. Endothermic, exothermic, it means releasing of the heat. And what is the meaning of the endothermic? Again, two words is there. Endo is for in, thermic is for the thermal, that is heat. If heat is used during any chemical reaction, then it is called the endothermic reaction. Some very common example is there, just as the melting of ice. Okay, when you put out the ice from a freezer, they start melting because the ice absorb all the hotness of the atmosphere to get melt. So for melting of the ice, heat is needed. So that process is called the endothermic reaction. What is endothermic reaction? During any reaction, if heat is absorbed from the environment, then the reaction is called endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Melting of ice is the best example for that. All of you know that. One more example, if you want to try it at home, then do it. Okay, take one metal glass, steel ka glass, put some spoons of the glucose in that. Add first take water, little bit water, thoda sa pani in the bottom of the glass. You hold the glass like that. If it is a glass, you hold it like this, that you are able to feel the surface of that water. Then put the glucose in that. When glucose gets dissolved in water, you feel the coolness of the glass with the help of your hand, your skin, hand's skin. Oh, that is the example for the endothermic reaction. Few more example is there. For example, ammonium chloride when combines with water. Ammonium hydroxide is formed. And in this process also, the heat is absorbed. All this dissolving of glucose in water. So lots of reaction is there which shows the endothermic process. So this is the combination reaction. Combination reaction is two types. One is called the combination reaction is three processes are there in that when the element combines with element, when element combines with compound, or when compound combines with compound, and in all the cases only compounds are formed. So this is all about the chemical combination reaction.